All right, so I had a private dinner with the OG of direct response marketing, Dan Kennedy, at Funnel Hacking Live 2 weeks ago. And what he told me is going to blow your mind. Okay. Right now, we are in the economy, right? That reputation matters more than anything else. How different you are, how much trust you have in the marketplace matters so much more than your risk reversals, your money back guarantees, or whatever it is. Okay. So, this is what he told me. Okay. You have to niche down to help you get better faster instead of learning five different industries or skill sets all at the same time, right? This will help you create a hyper skill set and a hyper niche to find the right person to work with. Because here's the thing, reputation controls the money, okay? AKA, also known as the story being told about the company, the mechanism, the bragging rights about your clients, right? Those all matter. Okay, so for example, if you worked at some big corporation, you can use that to back you up. If your clients were Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, like Russell Brunson, right? You can use those on your back when you go ahead and prospect out to more clients, right? And your prospects are less likely to have to think about hiring you or even questioning the money. Because here's the thing, like if you're good enough for these big guys, you're probably good enough for me. Okay. And the thing is, these days, people are always looking for who has the better mechanism, who has the more trust in the market, who has more market share. Okay. So when you're going to this red ocean, the trust and the reputation is what's really going to matter. And the easiest way to do that is by turning clients into case studies as quickly as possible. Okay. That's the entire goal of getting clients, of turning them into case studies as quickly as flippin' possible. Okay. And then from there, you're able to put those onto the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever it may be, and maybe even onto your funnels. Well, 100% should be onto your funnels, right? And so when you're doing your marketing, you could just see an endless scroll of testimonials, right? That's probably going to be your best performing piece of sales asset there, just an endless scroll of testimonials, right? Because if they know that they can trust you, it's very easy for them to work with you, right? The sales process becomes extremely, extremely easy from there. So listen, reputation controls the money. Okay. So remember that. See how you can attach yourself, right, to a strong reputation, to a good mechanism, right, to good bragging rights about your clients, right? Turn your clients into case studies as quickly as flippin' possible. So listen, if you guys need help with this, in the description, there is a small group that I have. It's a bit of a, very, very tiny group that we're running right now where we teach you how to do exactly all of this, right? Where we show you how to get your first five clients and up to $10,000 per month. All without having to do all the messy work and all these like technical automations and whatnot. It's the easiest thing to do. It's super efficient, and it's the things that people never taught me when I got started 6 years ago. So go ahead and press the link down below into the description, and you can actually go ahead and join that community of other like-minded individuals who are trying to get their first or even next five clients in the most efficient way possible. And I talk about a lot of this stuff inside of that training on a much deeper level, right? We also do coaching calls every single week and stuff like that. You can go ahead and message me and I'll be able to respond there. So anyway, guys, if you think that this video would be able to help someone else who needs to understand this one concept, go ahead and share it, throw a like on there, and also don't forget to subscribe. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.